In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you in an easy step-by-step how to private a page or a post on your website. So you want to hide it, you don't want people to see a post or a pages on your website. There are ways that you can take to do that. So here is how to do that on your website. So let's say I want to hide a post or a pages on my website. I want to hide this page right here on my website. I don't want anybody to see it. I only want only me to see this page here. So I want to hide it from being seen by my visitors. So the first thing you can do is to go to your dashboard area here. Or if you want to add new posts or pages to your website, you can just click post with this post that you want to add to your website. Or pages or page if it is pages that you want to add to your website. So let's go from the dashboard here because I want to add. I already added my pages to my website. I've already added a page to my website. So I already created a page to my website. So you want to go to all pages if it is pages that you want to private. You can also add new here from here. If it is post, you can go from all post here. If you want to add new, you can go from there. And there you go. So I want to hide a page, not post. A post, not page. So I'm just gonna go to all. So these are my posts here. This is the one that I want to hide, that I want to private from my visitors. So I'm just gonna edit the page here. You click edit here at the bottom. And it's going to open up this area here. So here at the right side bar here, you can see all these boxes here. So here is where you can adjust you can add you can private your post or pages. So if you don't see these boxes on your website, you may want to go up here and allow it on your website. That means you are using the first column on your website, so you want to use the second column. You want to use the second column for your website, so you want to go up here and use the second column right there. I'm using the second column already. If you did the first column, let me show you. If you did the first column, you are not going to see anything from your website at the right side. So now let's check this second column. There you get it. The sidebar is right there. So to hide this page here, so you want to go to visibility right there. So you want to edit the visibility of this page here. So here down below is where you can private your page. So only you can see this page. You want only you to see this page. Any visitors come to your website, they are not going to see this page here. Okay, so if it is that, you just click private and you are ready to go. When you finish, you click OK and you update your post. You can also add password here. So if it is password that you want to add to your website to protect the page, you can tick the password protector. Then you add your password, the password that you want to add, and you click OK. So people can still see this page on your website. That means people can see this page, but they don't have access to it. Okay, they can't view it until they enter this password. So another thing you can do is publish. If you want people to see it on your website, you just tick publish, public there at the top. Another thing you can do is if you want it to stick to the front page of your website, you can just tick this stick. So this page will stick to the front of your website. So we just want to private this website, this post here, okay, and click OK. And when you finish, you click update, and that's all your post has been updated and nobody can view it on your website. So another method to hide your post is to go to the downside of your website, of your post here, and click the visibility here. So here you can index your post here. From here, you don't want Google to index your post. You don't want Google and the rest of search engine to index your page or post. You can just add it as no index. You don't want them to follow you, to follow this page. You can just add it as no follow. So you're not going to follow it. If you want nobody to see it on your archive, you can just click no archive. And there you go. When you finish, you scroll up again, scroll back again, and update your post or pages. Then you are ready to go. So only you can view the post now, nobody else. So that's how you do it. So guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial here. So if you have any question or anything to say about this video here, let me know down below. Drop all your comment down below. Subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.